What if you could plan DJI Waypoint missions on your TV? Create Waypoint missions right from your living room using your big screen TV. Just connect a USB-C adapter that supports DisplayPort ALT Mode to your DJI RC2. Then plug in a Bluetooth USB mouse and plan Waypoint missions with full precision. No more tapping on a tiny screen with fat fingers. Plan your Waypoint missions faster, smarter, and in the comfort of your home living room using your big screen TV. Before we start this tutorial, let's go over what you need for this to work properly. First, you'll need a DJI RC2 controller. Second, a Bluetooth or wireless USB mouse. And lastly, a USB-C adapter that supports DisplayPort ALT Mode over USB-C. You might be wondering, what is DisplayPort ALT Mode? ALT is short for alternate mode. With ALT mode enabled, the port can repurpose its pins to carry video signals like DisplayPort or HDMI via an adapter. It can also carry audio through the same video signal, and it can use external display output like a TV or monitor. The DJI RC2 USB-C port supports this and is why this tutorial is possible. If you have a USB-C adapter and it says supports DisplayPort ALT mode, then you can connect HDMI adapters and USB-C hubs and connect a TV or monitor and also mirror your screen to a big screen display. If your USB-C adapter does not say support for DisplayPort ALT mode, then this will not work, and you need to buy one that does support the ALT mode. Grab your USB wireless mouse and remove the receiver. Then plug the receiver into your USB-C adapter. Next, attach the USB-C adapter to your DJI RC2 controller. Next, connect your HDMI cable to the HDMI port on the adapter. Power on your DJI RC2 controller. Next, connect your HDMI cable to the HDMI port on the back of your TV. Make sure your TV is set to the correct HDMI input, so you can see your DJI RC2 screen mirrored on your TV. Now grab your wireless or Bluetooth mouse and click Connect to Aircraft. Next, click on Camera View. Once the controller switches to Camera View, click on the map to bring up the full map view. Next, use your mouse to pan around the map and locate the area you're going to map using waypoints. For better visibility of the area you want to map, click on the map layers and switch to Satellite View. This allows you to see the terrain more clearly, making it easier to plan your waypoint mission accurately. Once you've located your area, click on the waypoint icon on the left side of the screen to bring up the waypoint mission menu. If you want to hide the menu, simply click the up arrow to collapse it. Now simply click with your left mouse button to start placing your waypoints. Continue setting up your mapping mission until you're fully satisfied with the area you need to cover. This is by far one of the easiest ways to plan missions directly on your controller, without paying for any subscriptions or expensive apps. You can do everything from the comfort of your living room, on your big screen TV. Just sit back, relax, and plan your missions like a pro. Once you're done placing all your waypoints, click on the notepad icon. Then click Save, and click Save again to store your waypoint mission. Hit the back arrow to return to your mission setup. Now you know how to plan waypoint missions like a pro, and do it all on a big screen TV. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified whenever I post new videos. If you'd like to support the channel and help it grow, click the three dots, select Thanks, and choose your contribution. Any amount, no matter how small, is truly appreciated. And don't forget to hit the like button. It truly helps the channel grow. You can also support my videos directly from your phone. Simply swipe left, tap the hype button, and choose your hype points. You can also tap Thanks and select a contribution. Any support is truly appreciated. I've included the link to the adapter I'm using in the video description, in case you want to pick up the same one. And go ahead and watch one of these two videos next, so you can continue learning and growing in this field.